Maling
Ayan, sige, yung first question ko is, how did you build the chemistry? Kasi usually, yung chemistry that you're used to is between a love team. But this one is parang among brothers.
Love team pa rin.
Love team pa rin ba? Paano nyo yun dinevelop?
Si Kyle kasi, ka-age yun ng brother ko eh. So, it was kind of easy for me to put him in that mindset na talaga nasa brotherhood stage kami. At syempre, tagal na namin magkaibigan. So, we do see each other a lot outside of work. But when we're in this setting, it really had to come to a point that we both decided that let's collaborate on this and do what we can to really put us in that position that we're brothers, but we're also not in good terms. So, yeah, we had to go through workshops, a lot of preparation, and a lot of collaboration between me and him. We always talk about it. How can we go inside this cycle na ganito yung mindset natin, ganito yung chemistry natin, tsaka sa mga eksena. At syempre, nakatulong na rin na matagal kami magkakilala. And we really do see each other as friends outside of showbiz. Yeah.
Like you said, matagal na po kami magkakilala. So I think the best thing that we had, more than having to build chemistry, we already had the trust for each other as brothers. True. And I think sobrang mahalaga yun, lalo na sa dalawang lead. If we were to have to lead the show, we have to trust each other and being able to give our best to each other and being honest with each other. Kung ano naramdaman namin sa isa't isa tungkol sa characters namin, you know. That's what I love about the way we were working kasi hindi kami naiilang na sabihin sa isa't isa, hey, pwede mong gawin to, mas okay to, or gawin mo to para mag-react ako ng ganun. So yun yung I think the edge that we had. Kasi hindi kami natatakot sabihin kung anong gusto namin sabihin sa isa't isa.
Saka yung love team, mas gusto nyo isa't isa. Ito pamilya eh. So ibang klase relationship yun. This is like, actually, deeper than blood kasi hindi naman kami blood related. Pero we treat each other as talagang brothers. So that's where the difference is.